Calling Doordash payment errors is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can solve your Doordash payment. While the process is pretty simple, in order to do that you just simply have to reinstall your Doordash application. Just reinstall your Doordash application and the error should be gone. If this thing doesn't work, just try to putting in the payment method once again. If that thing also doesn't fix the error, you just have to contact the Doordash customer service. So in order to do that, you have to be at your Google, and here you have to search for Doordash customer service. Now after that, you simply have to as you can say, this is their phone number. You simply have to call them and talk to them that you are having this problem, and they will be able to help you out, and we'll be able to fix the payment error for you. There could be something in the back end which is causing this thing, so they will be able to help you out with it. However, you just have to double check if your payment method is also working. There might be some video payment method as well. Bank has blocked your